Pumpkin firework.
Is it finished?
Yeah, did you watch it? Why did you run so far away? That was the Fuji firework from Squid Games production. Was that awesome?
Yay!
I'm on my day off. This is what Squid Game do on their day off. Still keep the mask on though.
It's bonfire 2021. The first thing we're going to do is light the bonfire.
Let's light it then. Trying to get the bonfire going. Use this box. Okay. There we go, that's our bonfire box. Rick, he's coming. Oh, yeah. Put it in, Sammy. Put the box in the middle. Yeah, put wood on it. Need to put petrol on it now and catch fire. Are you ready for the petrol? Watch what happens now.
There's no more now. The grass is on fire. Is there no? Stop it.
You stop it. Yeah, it's gonna go. What do you mean you don't want to do it anymore? Right, you have to get the light out. Out to the pumpkin. Right, Sammy, feed some twigs in it. Feed some small twigs in the fire. Oh, it's going out.
I'm going to.
It's going out. It's going out.
Oh, you need to fix it. It's going down. No, stop it.
Shut up, lies, I'll slap you. It's not catching fire though. Is it on fire? Put some more twigs in the middle, Sammy. The pumpkin. Oh, scary pumpkin. Yeah, twigs in the middle, and you break them up. Look, it's on fire in the middle. It's starting to catch. and put him in the fire. Oh, he's going out. No, why you not? You're gonna have to put more of this on, isn't it? So you can get this fire going. Got petrol all over it. Is the paper burning? Ah. What kind of paper is it that don't burn? Still trying to get this bonfire going. It's just not going. Here's the petrol can. Let me see. Pumpkins being cooked. All we're doing is cooking the pumpkin. Come on, get old. No, that'll do for now. Put this out of the way in case we have a disaster. Some firework in there. It's gonna go off. Where's the firework? There it is. It's gonna go now. Whoa! Is that it? He's shooting missiles. He shot one at you. And he shot a missile at you. He was wrong with me. I'm trying to light the fire. No, I'm not lighting. Get this bonfire going. Look, the solar light goes off when I put the thing on. Is it catching hold now? I'm running out of petrol. Oh, what was that?
I got anything. You are not putting it on the grass. Put it on the grass. Come back.
The wood is not dry enough.
Oh, something wrong. There's a hand. Yeah, something wrong.
Now we're going to try and relight the bonfire in this car.
Let's see if we can get it going. So, pull out all of this from the middle. In the middle of it. Pull that wood out, Eliza. In the middle. And we're going to stuff it full of this card and paper. Yeah. Don't throw the wood away, keep it in there, because I'm going to put it on top. And hopefully we can get it relit.
Fire.
Oh, there's still some fire at the bottom. Embers.
Told you.
It's just the middle bit, so we can. It's still warm. So then we can put all of this in. Yeah, stuff all of this in your box.
No.
What? Your old box?
No, not my books. No.
Oh, Eliza.
No.
It's old.
We're not doing that.
Alright then, put that aside then. It's not all your books.
These are mine.
Yeah. What are you doing?
No, you're not going to throw it away.
What are you gonna do? Your mom's been throwing them for years. You know that. Don't put it there. You're gonna. What? We need the paper. Right, some.
No, nothing.
What are you doing? All right, put this then in there. Look at the hoarders. Your hoarders. I'll stuff this in the middle. Break the box down. Punch it down so it fits. We need the box.
You will.
Stuff it in. Yeah. What's wrong with the box? Let's not stand there, move forward. There. Right, paper. What are you doing? Give it here. Give it here. Stuff it inside, not at the sides. It has to be inside. Give it here, you messed it up. Now put the wood back on top. You just put it on top, that's not how you do it.
Why not even doing it?
Okay. Stuff the paper in, put the wood back on top, like this, so that the wood will burn. That wood there on the floor, Liza, put it back in. Oh, it looks spooky. Yeah, stuff it back in. Get some more wood. Yeah. This wood is a bit. Yeah. So. Here. Now let me light it. Then I'll pour petrol on it and it should go whoosh. Right, let me light some. Where you going? Got a lighter, not petrol. Not lighting. Not lighting. There we go.
There's fire.
Okay. Now I need some petrol to get it going. Where'd I put it? Let's see if you can get this fire going. Yeah, we're nearly out of petrol. Right, here we go. Oops.
Oh. Yeah.
That scared you, didn't it? Nice and warm. That should get the wood.
We've got more.
I'm running out of petrol. Put the books on, Annie. Just put them on.
No.
Why are you not going to keep them? The pumpkin. It's alright. Put this out of the way. You're warm? No, it's trying to. I need to get some more paper. I need to put those books on.
No.
Why? You're not going to look at them? Well, keep them in your room then. Why you stuck them in the garage? Is it nice and warm, Liza? Hopefully, the wood will catch fire now. Liza's enjoying it, isn't it? I need to put a book on it. Alright, take your books inside, you can go now.
No.
Well, you want to stay? Alright, you stay then.
I put one. I want a chair to sit on.
Yeah. That is our bonfire. This side's not caught fire. I need to pour some petrol on that side. I need to pour it on this side because it's not on fire. The back. Oops. There. And here. And I'm nearly out of petrol. It has to burn now. Yeah, put twigs on it. Roasting marshmallows. Like, don't stand in front of the camera. To feed the fire. Twigs. some twigs on. I'll put this ivy climber on it. Yeah. Oh, the ivy climber's burning. Yeah, put it chair here. Nice, this chair. Is it nice? Yeah. Roasting. You know what we're roasting? A pumpkin. Yeah. Pumpkin roasting. Proper. Look, flames are going up to the pumpkin.
How the pumpkin on fire? How the pumpkin burn? You not even have a...
So that's the end of bonfire night. The bonfire just refused to light despite pouring petrol on it. Finished. And it's starting to rain. Cooked pumpkin. There's the bonfire. Alright, then let me jam it in. Where's the... It's there at the top. Yeah, so this one's the easy one to light, it's at the top. Not yet, don't light it yet. Alright, let me jam it in. There we go. That's in. Funny. Let's have a look what Jizzy Taj looks like. Nika's 18. Whoa! It better not be a shot tube. Whoa! That is bright. I can feel the heat. Whoa! That was digitized. Want to do another one? No, alright then. We'll do the rest tomorrow on bonfire. So we did how many? 3. Most of these fireworks are fountains. So we've done 3 now.
We do one tomorrow.
We'll do them all tomorrow.
No, today.
That was our Skyfire Squid Game fireworks.
So,
Remember to subscribe for more fireworks. Pumpkin fireworks.
Is it raining?
Yeah, did you watch it? Why did you run so far away? That was the Fuji firework from Squid Games production. Was that awesome?
Yay!
I'm on my day off. This is what Squid Game do on their day off. Still keep the mask on though.
That was a Fuji firework.
Yeah, it's a fountain, most of fountains. Move. He's out.
Oh my god.
More.
Whoa.
What's it do to the banana plant?
Nothing. Banana plants are strong. Is it
So
dead?
that was a 21 shot flare.
Didn't seem like 21. Seemed like 8.
I've got curved traces in my eyesight. Have you got curved?
What do you mean?
When you look up, can you see a little curve?
No.
Oh, I'm old. Move back.
Super back, guys. Guys, back up.
What's that?
Hey.
Is it falling over?
Smoke.
That was absolute rubbish.
That was so cool.
Orbit boom. Where's the boom?
We got 4 more left.
Where was the boom? Oh, it didn't fall over.
That was a boom.
That's good.
How come with the people
Found.
so good and now it's rubbish? Yeah, we should have bought expensive ones.
Put some of these on.
Bonfire goes for awesome.
Yes.
No. You're not the one I died.
Try this one then.
Let's feed the fire.
Oh, so good.